Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing here. It's going to be a quick unboxing because I don't really have any tools or anything. But anyway, I got this Korky Universal, and this is because I have to fix my toilet. And not sure if it's something you guys can hear or not, but you know, there is a hissing sound coming from the toilet. I won't be able to show you how I put this together, unlike some of the other places, because in this particular bathroom, there is no way to really do that. I would have nowhere to put a tripod or a camera, so it'd be really inconvenient to show you. But usually I do make plumbing videos and stuff. But anyway, you guys get to see the back of the box and all that stuff. And this is the thing itself. And it goes on, but I won't be able to show you how. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where I'll actually have this fixed, hopefully. Wish me luck!
Likey.